In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a discount on Shopify to help boost sales and attract more customers. First, head over to the Shopify website and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click Discounts. Next, click the Create Discount button. Now choose the type of discount you want to create. You can select a percentage discount, fixed amount discount, free shipping discount, or a buy X get Y offer. After selecting the discount type, enter a discount code that customers will use at checkout. You can also let Shopify generate a code automatically. Then, set the discount value, choose which products or collections the discount applies to, and define any minimum purchase requirements if needed. Next, select the start date and end date for your promotion. You can also set customer eligibility and usage limits if you want to restrict how often the discount can be used. Once everything is configured, click Save. Your discount is now active and ready for customers to use during checkout. Thanks for watching.